Okay, I've got this drawing that I scanned and I want to remove the white from it, so I just have the black drawing part. This is one way that you can do that. First thing you want to do is select everything. So go select all or do a Control A on your keyboard. Now you want to copy. So you can go edit, copy, or do a Control C. Now you want to create a new blank layer. Go over to your paint bucket and make sure you've got black selected as your paint. Then click on that layer and it should turn everything black. So your layer should look like this. The original one below, the upper one is black. Next, we're going to add an adjustment layer. Now hold your Alt key on your keyboard and click on that white side of your adjustment layer and it'll turn it back to white. Now I'm just going to do a Control V to paste it, or you can go edit, paste if you prefer. Now go Image, Adjustments, Invert, or Control I. Now go down to your adjustment mask and click on the black side of it. If you hide that lower layer, you'll see now that you've got the drawing bit with a clear background that you can save as a PNG and use it as is, or do additional adjustments to make the line drawing a bit darker. But that's it. That's how you remove the white. Pretty quick and easy.